Tower, Southwest 1489 is on the RP Zulu for 26 left.
Southwest 1489, Ontario Tower, wind 2307, runway 26 left, clear to land.
26 left, clear to land, Southwest 1489.
That's why it's got him over there. All the way, hold it up. Watch that descent rate. A little faster. Hold it up. Okay, flaps are up, here we go. Instruments are good. Full throttle. Airspeed's alive. Here we go. Instruments are good. Positive rate. Pressure roll time is good. Good.
Cessna 604, extend down, I'll call your base turn. Traffic 2 o'clock, correction, 2 mile final for runway 26 left and 737, Castle Lake Turbulence, report traffic in sight.
If we're looking for the traffic, we'll extend down when you'll call the base for Skyhawk 604. Skyhawk 604 has the traffic on short final full left.
The 604 maintain reception, Castle Lake Turbulence, change back to runway 26 left, wind 2608, runway 26 left, clear, yeah, on the go, make left close traffic.
Caution on the wake turbulence, we'll maintain visual separation, runway 26 left, clear for the option, then we'll make left close traffic for Skyhawk 604. They got touchdown.
Right. 604 base turn 0 discretion.
Our discretion on the base turn 604.